To edit the design grid on the main road profile, in the contextual menu, select Edit Profile Geometry. On the Profile Layout tools, select the Profile Grid view. Using the panorama, make edits to the PVI stations and/or elevations of the main road profile. If you change the PVI elevations near the cul-de-sac, it will likely impact the match grades. When you are finished making your edits, close the panorama and update the corridor model. Zoom into the corridor to see if there are any noticeable differences. If the corridor region does not align exactly to the main road, there is a problem that you need to address. To correct the discrepancy between the main roads and cul-de-sac, use the spot elevations. Confirm that the spot elevations match the cul-de-sac profile elevation at the start and end. To make this easier to check, change the viewport configuration so you can view the plan in top view and the profile in the bottom view. In the plan view, you need to able to read the spot elevations. In the profile view, then from the contextual menu, select Edit Profile Geometry. Open the profile grid view, then compare the PVI elevation to the spot elevations. If they are different, edit the PVI elevation so they match the spot elevations. As you edit the PVIs, you will notice the change in your drawing. To update the low point PVI elevation on the profile, reset the grade out slope values to recalculate the PVI elevation. When you are all finished with, close the panorama and rebuild the corridor. When the corridor finishes rebuilding, confirm that the cul-de-sac design region now matches the neighboring main road region. To change the drainage on the cul-de-sac, you can edit the cul-de-sac design profile. Select the design profile from your drawing, then from the contextual menu, select Edit Profile Geometry. On the Profile Layer tools, open the Profile Grid view. To change the PVI location, you can use the grids, or to change the station, simply enter a new station value into the panorama. Editing the station value will immediately update the profile in your drawing. To back calculate the PVI elevation from the following or last PVI, use the grade in field on the last PVI. Setting the grade here will calculate the PVI elevation of the previous PVI. When you are finished, close the panorama and rebuild the corridor. When the corridor finishes rebuilding, notice the surface contours have updated to reflect these changes. To view or inspect the surface, use the object viewer. Adjust the view perspective to get a close-up visual of the grading in the cul-de-sac. You have now completed your cul-de-sac design and you can save your drawing file. If any further changes are needed, you will need to repeat this process.